things humans were never meant to see. Deep Field, 1995. In December 1995, NASA pointed the Hubble Space Telescope at what they thought was an empty patch of sky and stared for 10 days. When the images came back, scientists were silent. That empty space was filled with thousands of galaxies, each one holding billions of stars. It was the first time humans truly saw how small we really are. Lightning inside a volcano, 2011. On June 4th, 2011, the people of southern Chile looked up to see the Puyehue volcano erupting. But this was no ordinary eruption. The ash cloud was alive, with hundreds of bolts of lightning tearing through it. Witnesses swore it was like the sky was breaking apart. Blood Falls, Antarctica, 1911. In 1911, geologist Griffith Taylor reached the edge of a frozen glacier and saw it bleeding. A waterfall of deep red water spilled from the ice, staining the snow. For decades, no one knew why. The truth? It was ancient water trapped for nearly 2 million years, rich in iron, finally breaking free. The tongue-eating louse, 1980s. Fishermen in the Gulf of California began catching snappers with something horrifying in their mouths. A parasite had eaten the fish's tongue and taken its place. It was alive, watching them, moving like a tongue. Some fishermen refused to eat their catch ever again. Black Smoker Vents, 1977. In February 1977, the submersible Alvin sank deep into the Galapagos Rift and found something no one believed could exist. Towering black chimneys gushed boiling water in total darkness, surrounded by massive blind worms, giant crabs, and strange white fish. Life thriving without sunlight. The first glimpse of the unknown carnivore, 2006. A camera trap deep in the Bornean. Rainforest clicked and captured the glowing eyes of an animal no scientist had ever seen. The locals had whispered about it for generations, but this was the first time anyone outside the jungle had proof. The red-furred predator was real. The death of a star, 1054. On July 4, 1054, Chinese astronomers wrote of a guest star that burned so brightly it was visible in the daytime for 23 days. What they didn't know was that they were watching a supernova, the violent death of a massive star. Its remains still haunt the sky today. We call it the Crab Nebula. The alien from the deep, 1879. Fishermen off the coast of Brazil pulled up their nets and froze. Inside was an armored creature, as long as a man's arm, with empty white eyes and a hard shell. They called it the Armored Devil, but today we know it as the giant isopod. A reminder that the ocean still hides monsters we haven't met yet. The world is stranger than we like to believe. And sometimes, once you've seen the truth, you can't unsee it. Please like and follow for more.